Hi, I'm Tim. Want to ace the CELPIP speaking section and secure your permanent residence in Canada or Australia? Then let's dive in. Use this video to practice and stay focused. Let's go!
Welcome aboard. Honestly, forgetting your lunch on day one is practically a rite of passage, so please don't let it rattle your confidence. To ensure this doesn't become a recurring issue, I'd suggest implementing a couple of fail-safe routines to streamline your mornings. Firstly, try a technique called habit stacking. Associate the act of grabbing your lunch with an existing habit, such as brewing your morning coffee. If your insulated bag is sitting right next to the coffee maker, it's virtually impossible to overlook. Additionally, you might want to utilize a digital calendar alert with a persistent notification that triggers specifically as you're about to begin your commute. Beyond those immediate steps, consider keeping a few non-perishable backups in your desk drawer, such as protein bars or nuts, just in case your morning is particularly chaotic. Transitioning into a new role involves a significant amount of mental heavy lifting, and it's incredibly easy for these small domestic details to slip through the cracks. Establishing these environmental cues now will save you a lot of unnecessary stress and hunger in the long run. Since you're empty-handed today, why don't I show you the best local deli just around the corner? It's a fantastic way to kick off your first week and get to know the neighborhood.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the co-founder and tutor at TestPass Online School. I am a certified CELPIP instructor and have already trained more than 100 students to help them reach their target scores. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to push forward with your preparation. If you're ready to take the next step, head over to our website, testpass.ca, and book a free 30-minute consultation. During our call, I'll help you figure out your specific goals and create a plan for our classes. Plus, when you start studying with me, you can save over $300 on your prep journey. Let's begin this journey of improvement and practice together so you can pass the CELPIP at wherever level you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.